Far too many people these days struggle with a dead phone battery without even realizing it. Upgrading your power bank will upgrade your life on the go in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best portable chargers go beyond simple charging, and we have the best options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go! Number 5. Charmast Portable Charger with Built-in Cables. We're kicking things off with a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone tired of cable clutter. The charmast power bank is a true travel essential because it literally has the cables built right in. This slim 10,000 mAh battery pack comes with 4 integrated cords, 3 outputs for your devices and 1 input to recharge the pack itself. That means it can charge an iPhone, a Samsung, a USB-C device, and a micro-USB gadget all at once without you needing to carry a single extra wire. It boasts a total of 6 outputs and 3 input methods, so you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, which is absolute madness and perfect for a family trip or group of friends. It's super slim, lightweight, and features a digital LED display so you'll never have to guess how much juice you have left. For its incredibly convenient and versatile design at a very low price, the Charmast is a brilliant pick for the minimalist traveler who needs to charge everything. Number 4. Anker PowerCore 10K. When it comes to reliability and trusted brand names in the charging world, Anker is a constant front-runner, and their PowerCore 10K is a masterpiece of compact engineering. This is one of the slimmest and lightest 10,000 mAh portable chargers you can find, weighing a mere 8.6 ounces. It's designed for a truly travel-ready lifestyle, easily slipping into any pocket. But don't let its size fool you. It packs enough power to provide nearly 2 full charges for an iPhone 15. It's built to be tough, having been certified by a 3.2-foot drop test, so it can handle the bumps of daily life. The key feature here is its 2-way USB-C charging. The USB-C port supports both input and output, making charging your devices and recharging the power bank itself quick and easy with the same modern cable. You get Anker's renowned PowerIQ technology for optimized charging speeds and an 18-month warranty. If you want a no-nonsense, incredibly durable, and ultra-portable charger from a brand you can trust, the Anker PowerCore is a stellar choice. Number 3. CFIAI Portable Charger Power Bank 15,000 mAh. Next up, we have a power bank that combines high capacity with built-in cables in a surprisingly slim package. The CFIAI pack steps up the game with a robust 15,000 mAh battery, yet it manages to be significantly smaller and lighter than most competitors with the same capacity. It features 2 built-in cables this time, 1 for iOS devices and 1 USB-C cable, plus 3 additional output ports, allowing you to charge up to 4 devices at the same time. This makes it a powerhouse for heavy users. It also brings serious speed to the table with 22.5 WPD fast charging, capable of fueling an iPhone 15 from 0 to 50% in just about 30 minutes. And like our number 5 pick, it includes a very helpful smart digital display that shows the exact battery percentage down to the single digit, so you know precisely when it's time to recharge the pack itself. For those who need more capacity than 10,000 mAh but still want a lightweight, fast-charging, and cable-friendly design, the CFIAI is an incredible value. Number 2. INIU Ultra Slim 10,000 mAh 45 WPD Power Bank. Taking the runner-up spot is the INIU Power Bank, which stands out in the crowded 10,000 mAh category with some seriously advanced technology. INIU uses what they call a high-density tiny cell, making this power bank 30% smaller and 15% lighter than other models with the same capacity. But the real headline here is speed. This thing is equipped with a powerful 45W integrated chip, allowing it to charge an iPhone 15 up to 60% in just 25 minutes, which is phenomenally fast. Another huge advantage is its dual USB-C ports, and crucially, both support input and output. This is a rare feature that means you can use any USB-C cable to charge your devices or to recharge the power bank itself, offering incredible flexibility. It can charge 3 devices simultaneously through its 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port. With a focus on safety, a sleek design, and industry-leading fast charging in a tiny form factor, the INIU is a top-tier pick for the modern, fast-paced user. Number 1. Ohoviv Portable Charger 50,000 mAh. And now, for the absolute king of capacity, our number 1 pick, the ohoviv 50,000 mAh power bank. This is the ultimate solution for extended trips, camping, festivals, or anyone who needs to be completely off the grid for days at a time. Its ultra-high, massive capacity will keep all your devices running for a very, very long time without a single worry about finding an outlet. Despite its enormous power, it still features 22.5W fast charging, so you're not sacrificing speed for endurance. It can power 3 devices at once through its 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. It also includes a smart LED digital display to accurately track the huge amount of remaining juice. Now, a very important note, due to its immense capacity, this power bank is not allowed on airplanes, so it's strictly for road trips and adventures where you're driving. But for that purpose, it is unbeatable. It uses premium Li polymer batteries and smart chips for complete safety protection. If your number one concern is having more power than you could possibly ever need, the ohoviv 50,000 mAh is the undisputed champion.